Hi everyone. My name is Gina Kitzmiller and I'm a Usui and Kuruniki Reiki master and one of the Reiki practitioners at the Salt Spa. Melinda asked if I would do just a short video describing what Reiki is and what a typical Reiki session might look like. So that is probably the most common question I get, and it's almost kind of hard to describe sometimes. What is Reiki? So Reiki is a very old Japanese form of relaxation. It's often used to bring the body, mind, and spirit back into balance. So it's different than a physical massage, which is working your muscles. What we're working with is the energetic body, because you are more than just your physical body. And so we have what are called chakras. And if you've taken a yoga class, you may have seen a poster on the wall with these bright rainbow circles representing the chakras. And so what we're trying to do is to bring, where we're bringing energy into the body, we're rebalancing the chakras and making sure that everything is aligned and in balance. And what does that mean for you? Well, clients report feeling lighter, they feel more relaxed, they feel centered, and people come to Reiki for various reasons. It is growing in the medical profession, but I want to be clear to state that Reiki is not, we're not healing cancer. It is simply a complementary tool to use with Western medicine, with counseling. It does not replace those things. But when you're bringing the energetic body into balance, it can make those treatments that much more effective. So it is used oftentimes to help people with side effects from chemo. It has been used in surgery, which most people find surprising, where the Reiki practitioner is simply helping with healing, like to the side of the surgical room. But what I find for most people is that it's our day-to-day stuff, right? We feel stuck, we feel fatigued, we feel overwhelmed. Oftentimes people come to me for chronic pain, such as low back pain. Anxiety is a really common one as well. Or they're just simply they don't feel good in their body and they're looking for something to help with that. So during a Reiki session, it's a little bit different than massage because, again, we're not working with the physical body, but it does involve light touch, or it can be done off the body if you're uncomfortable with that. So you would simply come into the room, you're fully clothed, and you're on a massage table with a blanket so you're comfortable. And I'll start with just simply light touch. So I'll start with my hands, usually at the crown of your head, with just a light pressure, and then I'll move around the body and bringing it back into balance. So when I get done, clients will say that they feel more relaxed, they feel more at peace. Oftentimes we have a lot of mind chatter, going on, the what ifs, and I don't know what to do, and we're kind of stuck in this headspace. And Reiki can help kind of bring that into balance and calm that response that we're having. So I'm trying to think if there's anything else I need to cover. People often ask if Reiki is religious. It is not. There is no religion, no religious dogma associated with Reiki. Typically during a session, people feel very relaxed and peaceful. You may feel warmth or tingling from my hands, which is funny because my hands are really cold in regular life. You may feel some twitching as the energy is moving, just gentle twitching in the legs. Sometimes people say they don't feel anything at all. And the wonderful thing is that you're still getting all the benefits, whether you're having a very strong response to it or not. It's still working and it can't hurt you. So it's only going to help. And then another thing that people will often ask is how often to get a Reiki treatment. And so what I would suggest is to really use your own intuition. People leave feeling very balanced and aligned. And then, life happens. And then usually around 6 weeks or so, people say that they start to notice that they're feeling, kind of bogged down a little bit. And then they want to come in for another session. But it's really up to the individual. I always tell people to just use your own judgment and you'll know when it's time to come back in. So hopefully that's answered some of your questions. If you have more, feel free to reach out to either myself or to Melinda. And we're going to be doing some more videos to get a little bit more in depth in the chakras if that's something that interests you. So take care, and I hope to see some of you soon. Thanks.